This is a quick review on the Ryobi 40-volt lithium mower. Now this is a 16-inch. Now they're selling a 21-inch. I got this for $100 at a used store. It was well kept. It was kept indoors. But what I have is I have a TIF variety of turf grass. And my goats are loose on this pasture, so they drop a lot of stuff, if you know what I mean. So to keep this grass looking really super good, I put it on an 1.25 inch setting, and this bagger, it'll pick up all that. Now that was all in that grass. It's dead. It's dirt. It's ground up goat droppings. My guinea fowl will probably pick through that, find out what they like. So I would recommend this mower. Keep it indoors. It's a great mower. Thanks.